Quick video on just letting you know how much I love Kaizen foam. Took my original Milwaukee case, cut out the old molded plastic insert, and for some reason you would think with a drill and a driver you would get some drills and drivers to go along with it, or at least a place to put them. So we've modified this here. This is drill bits, got driver bits, got some star bits, nut drivers, various sizes. This container right here is more bits. This container right here is just a few miscellaneous screws. Over here we have extra long bits, a bit in the driver, and then also a few extra miscellaneous bits over here that we use more frequently. Also we have countersink bits, 2 of those, some longer square drive. So pretty much all inclusive, all we need in one case.